Are you a streamer on Twitch, YouTube, and Mixer and going to a live gaming event or convention soon? Well, it's time to start marketing and spreading your personal brand, which means you're gonna need business cards. Let's go. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you become part of the notification squad so you know when my videos go live for you. When you start attending live events and conventions, it's extremely important to start marketing and make others aware of your personal branding. And one of the best ways to do this is by doing old school business cards. It may seem kind of out to date, but trust me, they make a huge impact and they work awesome at these type of events. But what makes a good streaming business card? Well, it really depends on the type of person and streamer that you are and the message that you want to convey to your audience and or clients out there. Business cards should always be clean, simple to read, and express your personal branding in a visually impactful way. Make sure not to clutter up your business card with a lot of pictures and emojis and a lot of things like that. Even if that is your style, don't do it. You want to have a nice, clean card so your message is not lost in the clutter. Make sure your streamer name or brand or identity is in big, bold words. The eyes are attracted to bold letters, so use this to your advantage to have your name stand out from the rest of the message and graphics that are displayed on the card because you're the most important part of your business card. Make sure to give a clear and concise message of what type of streamer you are. For my instance, I am a creative streamer, so I have it listed right below my name. But you could be a speedrunner, you could be a casual player, variety streamer, professional. Make sure you list it there so that way people know right off the bat what kind of content you provide. Your business card should contain 1 to 3 links of where people can find you and your content. And these links can be what streaming platforms that you are currently streaming on. They could be links to your social media account. Perhaps you're really high on Instagram or Twitter that really represents what kind of streamer you are. Or they could be your merchandise links. For instance, I sell my art, so I have my art store on there. And depending on what type of streamer you are out there, you may also want to consider putting a business email contact for other clients that may want to do more of a professional type of contact or reaching out to you. If you have different social media accounts, make sure you represent and display which social media accounts people can find you on. Now, lucky for me, all of my social media accounts are under the same contact, Wild for Games. So I can just put a visual representation and people will easily find me. But if you have a different Twitter and Instagram and Twitch and Discord, all those are under different names, you need to put down where those names are so that way people can easily search and find and follow you on those platforms. Now, personal branding can be really tough. It's different for everyone out there depending on what type of streamer you are, what message you want to convey, how confident you are. Everybody's going to have a little bit different personal branding, which is what makes everybody unique out there. And your personal branding could be everything from your own streaming logo that you have, or maybe if you're like me, you want to represent your art on your card because that makes the best visual impact. Or if you're a handsome man or a very beautiful girl, you might be your best selling point. You might want to put a very nice and alluring headshot or upper body shot. And that will make a huge impact because 1, people are going to visually remember what you look like, and 2, hey, everybody likes looking at somebody pretty. Now for my own personal business card, I technically have 2 business cards that I hand out. One's for personal business and one is my streamer card to help grow my channel and sell my art. So I like to keep mine very simple when it comes to my streamer card. I like to put my name in big bold words. I like to let people know that I'm a creative streamer. I put 2 links of where you can find where I put my content and also where you can buy my art, and I put down all my social media links. And for my personal branding, I am my own brand, so I show my face. Hey, I may not be handsome, but I like to rep myself. So I try to keep it as simple and clean as possible. Now, you're gonna have a debate on if you should do just a front and a blank back, or you should do both sides. Now, it's up to you. Doing both sides is gonna cost a little more money, and if you're just starting out, I recommend doing the most simple card, because what happens is people will eventually take down your information and then they toss it. So don't waste a lot of money on it. But let me make a strong case for not doing a back. When you have a blank back in your card, you can write down additional information. Perhaps you run across a business client and they leave you additional email information that you can write down, or you can write down and hand to them. Or maybe you're going out to dinner with a group of people and you write down the restaurant information. Or if you're lucky, unlike me, perhaps you get a phone number from a significant other that you meet at one of these conventions that you can meet at a bar. So it leaves you a nice little area to write down information that you can exchange back and forth for people, which is why I like to leave mine blank, because I write down a lot of additional information all the time. Now, one of the best spots that I found to get business cards done for the price and quality, I like to go with Vista Print. They have high quality, really good prices, they always have discount sales going on, and they have an extremely fast turnaround time. Make sure to order your business cards at least 1 week in advance, maybe even a little bit before that, to give yourself a nice grace period. And they have a bunch of templates, layouts, colors, designs. They make it extremely easy, which is why I recommend them, and that's actually where I get my business cards from as well. And like I said, don't go gangbusters with it. Don't spend a lot of money on high quality papers, glossy embossings. You don't need 15,000 business cards. Keep the number nice and low and get a nice feel for what you need, and you can always upgrade and buy more later. Don't waste all your money on things like this that you may only hand out a couple cards at a time. Gotta be smart with your purchases. Hey, if you guys like this type of video, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and if there's a different service that you like to use that is better or cheaper or has something unique, make sure you leave a comment below to help spread the word to the community out there. Plus, I like learning as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to keep up with me and all of my social media content, make sure you check out my Twitter and Instagram. And if you want to help this channel grow and improve, make sure you follow me on Twitch and sub on there on twitch.tv/wildforgames. You can see me paint and play games all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care all. Peace.